Want your Google profile picture to show up in search results? In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to update it in less than 2 minutes. First, go to google.com and click your profile icon in the top right corner. Then select Manage your Google account. Next, click on the Personal Info tab on the left, where you'll see your basic info like name, birthday, and your current profile picture. To update it, click your profile picture or the camera icon next to it. You can either upload a new photo from your computer or choose one from your Google Photos. Then adjust the crop and click Set as Profile Photo. Your new profile picture is now updated. You can also update your name and other info from the same personal info page. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Google tips. And comment below if you successfully updated your profile picture.